Welcome to Math with Miss Stacy. In this video, we will discuss how to solve angle equations. So we're going to use the given information to set up and solve an equation. Then we will calculate the angles. So the question here, what are the measures of angle ABC and angle CBD? Well, we look at the figure and we notice that angle ABD is a right angle. They gave us this little box in the corner, so we know this is a 90-degree angle. So we know the two angles together are complementary, so they equal 90 degrees when added together. So we have x degrees plus we have 2x minus 6 all together needs to equal 90. So we're going to draw a line down our equal sign. Combine like terms on the right. We have x, which is 1x, plus 2x is 3x, minus 6 still equals 90. Okay, solving a two-step equation, we undo the addition or subtraction first. So we want to get rid of the subtract 6. We do that by adding 6 to both sides. So we have 96 now on the right equals 3x. The minus 6 and the plus 6 cancel. Now we need to undo the multiplication. We do that by dividing. Divide both sides by 3, and x equals 32. Okay, now we can go back to our figure, and the measure of angle ABC is x, and x equals 32. Now the measure of angle CBD, angle CBD equals 2x minus 6. 2 times 32 is 64. Minus 6 is 58. So we know that angle ABC is 32 degrees and angle CBD is 58 degrees. We know these are correct. We can check because when we add them together, we get 90 degrees, which is a right angle. So we know these are complementary and they add together to 90 degrees. So when you're given a figure and you're asked for two complementary angles and there are some variables in there, you need to add the two angles together, set that equal to 90 degrees, then solve for your variable. Then you can take that value and plug it back in for the x's or variable in your original problem to get the measures of both of the angles. Okay, it's time for our affirmations. Say them with me. I can learn math. I can learn anything. Have a great day.